We're here at HP CES 2024 showcase, and we want to show you one of the first new laptops of 2024. This is the HP Spectre X360 14-inch. It's a new size, a new design, and it's new inside and out because not only are you getting a new design with a bigger display, but you're also getting goodness from Intel in the form of the Meteor Lake chip and what you can do that in terms of new AI powers. So what's new with the HP Spectre X360 14-inch? Well, let's start with the display. It is an OLED panel, and you're only getting OLEDs for this model. You can see that it is a wider design, so 16:10 aspect ratio, and you also can see that on the left and right side of the keyboards, there is a new Polycom speaker system that's built in. There's also speakers built in on the bottom, and up top, there's a new 9-megapixel camera, so you're getting sharper resolution than you did last time around. The weight is still fairly manageable at about 3.2 pounds, but you're not getting much in terms of ports. So on the left-hand side, you see here that we have a full-size USB here with this collapsible door. And then on the right-hand side, you have a Thunderbolt port. And in terms of the trackpad, it is a haptic trackpad, which actually works pretty well. And the keyboard offers a decent amount of travel. You can log in just by using this because it has a fingerprint sensor built in right into the power button. So overall, it's a sleek design, bright display, and it's more comfortable and louder than before. But let's see what the AI stuff can do. You can see here that there is a dashboard that's built in, and one of the new features, or relatively new, is privacy alert. So if someone is looking over your shoulder, you'll actually get a little alert saying someone is staring at your screen. So it's kind of like a snoop alert, which is pretty nice. Let's walk you through some of the other AI features that HP is working on with the Spectre X360 14-inch with its software partners. So what you have here is the camera, and if I just use automatic framing and I turn that on, and I just move around the frame, similar to Center Stage on the iPad, I actually think this is pretty convincing. As I move around, it keeps me in the frame and centered, so that's pretty neat. Another cool feature is the ability to generate images via AI prompts. So you could basically type in anything that you want, and this is using GIMP and a plugin that's built in. So it's pretty easy to just get up and start using. And then when it comes to graphics on the 16-inch version, you are able to get higher frame rates and better resolution through AI. And last but not least, you can use the NPU for getting better video editing performance because you're offloading some of those tasks to the NPU. The CPU and GPUs can be used for other things, which means not only better performance, but longer battery life. So that's our first look at the HP Spectre X360 14-inch for CES 2024. Make sure you follow Tom's Guide on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more for more coverage of CES 2024. This is Mark Spoonell.